वरुण धवन, संजय दत्त और आदित्य रॉय कपूर के बाद आज इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे के दिन कलंक मूवी के मेकर्स ने अनवील किया आलिया भट्ट का लुक। पहली झलक में आलिया किसी रानी से कम नहीं लग रही। श्रृंगार, घूंघट और गहनों में लगी आलिया बेहद खूबसूरत। फिल्म में उनका नाम रूप है और आलिया के इस लुक को देखकर हमें ऐश्वर्या राय बच्चन की फिल्म जोधा अकबर का लुक याद आ गया। फिल्म में जोधा बनी ऐश्वर्या भी कुछ इसी तरह के लुक में नजर आई थी। हम ये तो नहीं कह रहे हैं कि आलिया का लुक ऐश्वर्या से मिलता जुलता है, लेकिन हाँ, थोड़ी बहुत सिमिलैरिटी जरूर है। खैर, आलिया का ये लुक देखकर तो लग रहा है कि वो इस फिल्म में एक अलग ही किरदार में नजर आने वाली है। हमेशा की तरह अपने अलग रोल से दर्शकों का दिल जीतने वाली आलिया के इस रूप पर आपके क्या रिएक्शंस है? पोस्ट करिए अपने कमेंट्स।
I was just thinking about all the roles that you have played, and you have played such nuanced characters. Now tell us, what is the kind of preparation that goes into doing these roles really, and how do you select these roles?
I select my roles literally how somebody wakes up in the morning and selects what they want to eat. You know, you're on a holiday and you have to go out and you have to pick a restaurant. What do? You go with your gut. Literally your gut. Because your gut wants some food. But it's just an instinctive feeling that comes from within. And you say, okay, no, I want to eat Indian, or I want to eat Chinese, or I want to eat Thai. Because that's what's coming from within. When you read scripts and you hear narrations and you hear stories, it can take 3 seconds for you to know, okay, this is what I want to do. I know it sounds really easy, but it's literally that easy. You have to listen to your gut, and it could be at that point that I may be wanting something, but something may come my way. Like I may want to do a comedy, but a drama may come my way, and then suddenly see me like, oh, I want to do a drama. So I go ahead and do it. There's no clinical thought process to it. It's as simple as choosing, your food or a good pair of socks.
And the preparation?
I prefer to go with the instinct of my director, because I feel like every director will be different, so every director's process will be different, so hence my process will be different in every film. If I have a fixed process, then somehow or someday I will be the same or the same version of myself. So I keep saying that I'm moody, floaty, fire, desire. The reason I say I'm floaty is because I can literally float along with anyone and follow their lead. And I love doing that. Although I'm a leader, but I like following my director's lead and just discovering the character.